Alright, let's look at the homework 1.3, problem number 5. Alright, so we have a quadratic function given here. So we're going to try to complete the square so that we can see the transformation. Then we get to decide which one has the correct graph. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we need to complete the square. So this is going to be equal to, right, first, I don't like to have a number in front of x squared. I'm going to pull that out. So it's negatives pulled out. So it's going to be positive x squared. I'll do the same thing with negative 2x. Negative signs pulled out. So it's going to be positive 2x. Right, then we'll take care of the plus 4 later. So I'm going to put plus 4 at the end. Alright, then we have to figure out the number we need for the third term will be half of 2, which is 1 squared, 1. So I'm going to just put plus 1 right here, then subtract 1 right away. Right, that way, I like the first three terms, so I'm going to group them together. X squared plus 2x plus 1. Right, then, to get rid of this, kick this negative 1 out of the parentheses, we have to distribute this negative sign to that, so it's going to become positive 1. So positive 1 and plus 4 is right at the end, right? So this is going to become negative, right? X and half of 2 is plus 1 squared, so complete the square. So 1 plus 4 is plus 5. Alright, so you can see the transformation. So the first one is this. Oh, this first one is this guy. And the second guy is that guy. And this is the third guy. Right? So if you list the transformations, so transformations. Alright, so the first one is reflection about the x-axis. Right, so that's an easy one. And 2, right? This guy adding 1 inside the parentheses is going to actually go to the left by 1 unit. And the third one, adding 5 at the end, bring it up by 5 units. Right? So let's look for a picture which you can get by applying these three transformations to the original problem, y equals x squared. Alright. Alright. So since reflection is applied, it shouldn't look like that, so it should face down. So we know that this is going to be 1 and not this one, this one. So there are 2 between this guy and that guy, right? Then this one is actually shifted to the right, and this one is shifted to the left. So this is going to be the correct one. So we choose that, and shifted up by 5. So it looks good. So let's check. Alright, it came back, and looks like we have the right choice. So green check mark tells you that our choice was correct. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.